Alright, I'm going to try replacing a battery from my zero turn. Got the EverStart lawn and tractor battery from Walmart. That's what it is. And we got to try to get it in here. Replace this one. So let's see what happens. And hopefully it even starts, because I should have started this during the winter time and I didn't because the battery was no good. So we'll see what happens when I get the battery changed. It actually wasn't this loose, but I already unloosened it with the pliers. Alright, got it strapped in. Just got to put the terminals on. Alright, it's installed, and we'll see if it cranks up now. There's the old one. Best.